Good morning, friends. So, we are here in Manali, and this is the Tall Tree Resort. And these are the cottages, and this is the cottage where we spent only one night. Let me show you the outside view. It's really so beautiful place, close to nature. And if you ever wish to visit Manali, you can stay at this place if you want to spend your time close to nature. Then this is the place for you. So nature has very good healing power. As much as close we stay to nature, all our energy body chakras get healed by themselves. As you can see, so much of greenery around, right? So green color is for heart chakra. So the more time you spend looking at this greenery, your heart chakra gets healed all by yourself, and you feel so much of love for God, for nature, and you feel so grateful for creating this beautiful earth. And you can hear the sound of the birds here, and you can see tall trees, the mountains around you, and the blue sky above. This blue color is good for healing your throat chakra, which is related to your expressions. You can express yourself very well, and when your heart chakra gets healed, you love everyone unconditionally. So these are few cottages. I show you the outside view of these cottages. And there is our cottage where we stayed at the ground floor. And as you can hear the voice of running water. So this water is coming from the river, and then this water is going down to the flowing river near the GT road. So I think this place is about 1 or 2 kilometers before you enter Manali, the main city. If you take the bridge from the GT road, then it's in close proximity to the GT road. So here you can see the flowing river. Just let me show you. Yes, here you can see the flowing river, and to the other side of the river there is GT road. So because of trees it's not clearly visible. But if you have already entered Manali as we did, then the road that we had to take, it was single road, and in the beginning I did not like that road very much because it was a single road, and if any other vehicle is coming from the other side, then we had to back our car to give way to that vehicle. But if you really want to spend the best of me time in the lap of the nature, then this is the place for you. And the sound of running water, it heals our sacral chakra, because our sacral chakra is associated with water element. So if you want to spend really quality time healing yourself, loving the nature, being grateful to the Almighty, to the Supreme Being, the feeling of oneness with the universe, then this is the place for you. So here we are going to have our breakfast. So if you ever wish to visit Manali, you can plan to stay at the Tall Tree Resort. So friends, this is the bridge that I told you about to reach the Tall Tree Resort. This bridge is old, and this bridge is located about 15 kilometers before you enter Manali. And as you can see, the width of the bridge is just little bit more than the width of our Innova car. Otherwise, small cars and two-wheelers can easily cross over this bridge. But I really felt a sense of adventure when we crossed this bridge. We had to move very slowly so that the sides of the car do not touch the railings of the bridge. But it was great fun, really. As you can see, the car is moving slowly. But yes, we did it. And that was the part of excitement.